She was scrolling on her phone when she tossed a trash bag away, not realizing her purse went with it. Moments later, a passerby found the purse full of cash and chose to wait, hoping she'd return. But when the woman reached her car and realized her mistake, she rushed back, furious. Spotting a street cleaner eating lunch nearby, she without proof accused her of stealing and started shouting and slapping her, throwing her food on the ground, and humiliating her as the cleaner cried and begged. The man, watching from a distance, felt his anger rise, opened the purse, took the money, tossed the empty bag aside. He stepped in and told her he had seen a gray bag lying in that corner. She immediately ran off. The cleaner quietly tried to pick up her ruined food, but the man stopped her. He handed her the money and said, "Never accuse someone without proof." So tell me, did he do the right thing? Comment yes if you agree.